Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sandal College Boys Section Online Class Second Year. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Here is Akhtar Said, your English teacher, with another important essay, Why I Love Pakistan. First of all, outline. Number 1, man a social animal. Number 2, what is patriotism for country? Number 3, Pakistan is an ideology. Number 4, reasons for loving Pakistan. Number 5, betterment of nation. Man is a social animal. Human beings like to live in community like other living beings because they are social animals. Being a social creation, humans live different from other living beings. They like to have a well-educated family in a furnished home and lead a happy life. Human beings seek to live in harmony with their fellow beings. They need friends to help them, sympathize them, and love them. They love the community and country where their family and friends live. The nation is their family and the country is their homeland. Thus, the most powerful passion, respect, and love of a man emerges instinctively for his country. He who loves not his country can't love anything. Patriotism is a noble sentiment and national virtue. The man who lacks it has a dead soul. It is an attachment to a homeland. This attachment can be viewed in terms of different features relating to one's own homeland, including cultural, political, or historical aspects. Certainly, a person becomes emotionally attached to the place where he lives, so it is a natural passion. Patriotism is your conviction that this country is superior to all others because you were born in it. It is quite natural to love one's country. The Eskimo loves his country in spite of its cold weather. The African living in the midst of a burning and scorching desert is attached to his homeland. I also love my country. There are some people who love their own province. There are others who love the village, the town, or the city in which they were born. I am not so narrow in my outlook. I love my beloved homeland, Pakistan, above all provinces, cities, towns, or villages. I do not like to be called a Punjabi, a Sindhi, a Pashtun, or a Balochi. This is my spirit of nationalism. Our country is that spot to which our heart is bound. I love my country, Pakistan, for its ideology. It was established on the basis of its ideology. Pakistan is the fort and heart of the Islamic world. We achieved it in the name of Islam so that we may perform our religious duties freely according to the Islamic teachings. Being an Islamic state, its constitution is completely based on Islamic principles. It is a state where we are free to shape our destiny. Here we are free in our political, social, religious, and educational fields. It's a place where we feel safe and live our lives according to our religion. A man's country is a principle, and patriotism is loyal to that principle. Why I love Pakistan? It is not that Pakistan is a Muslim country. I love Pakistan because it is a hard-earned country. It gave us identity as the citizens of an independent Islamic state. The primary objective in creating Pakistan was to secure a separate territory where the Muslims could regulate their lives in accordance with the teachings of the Holy Quran and the Sunnah of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Pakistan is the citadel of Islam. It is the focal point of Muslim countries. It is a matter of pride for me that I was born and brought up in this glorious homeland. Men love their country not because it is great, but because they are born there. Freedom is a boon and slavery is a curse. Had it been undivided India, the Muslims could never have enjoyed the gifts of independence. We are free to lead our lives according to our traditions and historical background. Here we are free in every field of life. All are equal in the eyes of law. Even the non-Muslims enjoy complete freedom of worship in my beloved homeland. Country is a way to live, not a way to look. The people of Pakistan are known for their boldness, bravery, and courage. Pakistan has several groups, radical and linguistic, but they are all integrated through Islamic Brotherhood. Most of the people live in villages. The villagers are simple, frank, and sincere. They work very hard and produce food crops for us. The villagers are great lovers of Islam as well. They help one another. Patriotism is a thing of heart. Man is a patriot if his heart beats true to his country. I love Pakistan. My love for my homeland is not merely a showpiece. Rather, it is a rational, logical, and deep-rooted. It is in my blood. Pakistan is not just a piece of land to me. It is an embodiment of the aspirations and hopes of my nation. It is the land of my ancestors. Every inch of this soil is scented with their sweat and blood. Their bones are buried here. It is my past, my present, and my future. What a strange development of patriotism that turns a thinking being into a loyal machine. Pakistan is a home of great warriors, poets, statesmen, and artists. Iqbal, the great poet of Islam, Quaid-e-Azam, who gave us a homeland, Dr. A.Q. Khan, who made Pakistan an atomic power, Major Abdul Aziz Bhatti, and many others who sacrificed their lives for Pakistan, Imran Khan, who won the World Cup. These are the men of great inspiration for me. The people of Pakistan are superior to the people of any other nation of the world. They have courage and faith, which few people have. They are ready to make sacrifices when a call comes for it. The sacrifices which they made in 1947 for their homeland are unique in the world. No other country has suffered so much for an idea. My dear, my native soil, for whom my warmest wish to heaven is sent. I love Pakistan for its natural resources. It has rich soil which yields crops throughout the year. Its fruits are sweet and unique in taste. The rivers that flow in Pakistan have given us a fine network of canals that irrigates our fields. Above all, I love Pakistan for the bright future that is sure to come. Our country is wherever we are well off. I love Pakistan for its rich civilization, its historical buildings, its beautiful natural scenery, and its natural resources. Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, and Taxila provide a glimpse to the ancient civilization of this land. Historical places like Shalamar Garden, Shahi Mosque of Lahore, Tomb of Jahangir, and Lahore Fort remind us of the great achievements of our forefathers. Beautiful scenery of northern areas and the lakes like Saif al-Muluk, Kalar Kahar, Manchar, and Jannah attracts the tourists worldwide. To love one's country is the part of religion. The people of Pakistan are a peace-loving nation. They believe in humanity, equality, brotherhood, and mutual love. They do not hesitate to support to the cause of the Muslims of Palestine, Bosnia, Kashmir, Afghanistan, Iraq, or anywhere in the world. Pakistan also actively takes part in the UN peacekeeping programs for the establishment of peace in the world. My country is my world, and my religion is to do good. Anyhow, being true patriots, we need to remove evils which stain our beloved land. The need of the hour is to remove corruption, unemployment, unbalanced distribution of wealth and power, illiteracy, poverty, smuggling, and terrorism from our country. We need to encourage justice and fundamental reforms to make our country strong, powerful, united, and formidable. He loves his country best who survives to make it best. As I love my country, I want to see Pakistan a true and ideal Islamic state. For this, we all need to work collectively. We need to change our character positively. I want to see such Pakistan as will be inspiring to all the nations the world across. I wish to see my motherland a free, fearless, more united and affluent country. I have devoted all my time for its prosperity and welfare. I am determined to propagate the ideology of Pakistan in the circle of my friends. May all the efforts result in success and Pakistan get progress by leaps and bounds. It is sweet to serve one's country by deeds. I love my country with my heart and soul because it is an abode of my social, cultural, and religious values. But my patriotism is neither narrow nor blind. I do respect the rights and privileges of other countries. I believe in peaceful coexistence. Anyhow, I am always ready to sacrifice my belongings and even my life for the security and integrity of my beloved homeland, Islamic Republic of Pakistan. I only regret that I have but one life to lose for my country. Pakistan Zindabad. That's all of today's lecture, dear students. I hope you will like my humble effort, and I'm sure it will help you in your examination. If you have any question, if you have any problem regarding English, you may comment in the comment section below and you will find me inshallah there to answer your questions. Till some next lecture, take a very good care of yourself and your dear ones. Thank you very much.